Alright, good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a simple Nissan Rogue battery change. It's coming on to the winter, and sometimes when I try to use my key to start my vehicle, depends on how far it is, it's not connecting, so I'm assuming the battery is dying. So today we're gonna change it, and the type of battery it uses is the 2032. I thought I had to go and buy, but actually there's a spare one around, so we're gonna use, and then we're gonna change this today. Alright, so what you're gonna wanna do is gonna grab something like a flathead, and then when you look at the top of your key, you're supposed to see this tab part there. You're gonna put like the flathead inside of it and pry it, then it would ease up. So you put it down on that, pry it, and it ease up, then it will start open up, and then you just pry your way through, and then it's just gonna open up like this. Yeah, so after it open up like this is your battery. You're just gonna put it in the same way that one was in there, and that's pretty much it. So this one is dusty and all of that, so I'm just gonna clean it up off camera and then put it back together. Alright, so yeah, I went ahead and clean it up a bit. So the battery you're gonna need to put in there is a 232. So 232, this one. So you're just gonna pry it out and put it in the same way as how you take it out. So after you take this off, whatever, you're just gonna come under the battery here and then just pry it out. It's supposed to be like that. You're gonna pry it out and make sure you put this one the same way how you take it out. So I'm gonna take this battery out this and then put it in. So it's the same size. This is the old one, this is the new one. So you're just gonna come here and put this one so you're supposed to like kind of force it down. Yeah, but kind of, yeah, just make sure you kind of force it in place. So this part is supposed to be up like this, and then so yeah, that's pretty much it. Now just gonna have to put this back on, and then yeah, that's how you change your Nissan Rogue key fob battery 2032. That's the type of battery you have to put in there. So now you can just go ahead and then just click back everything in place. Click back everything in place. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. On to the next one.